Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்கள் சுகமானோ? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today I want to press forward with a question. Can you cool the summer or the sun in the natural? Or can you prevent the global warming? Yes. You got to use share nets as shown in the picture. This prevents UV rays from directly falling to the earth. These share nets cause greenhouse effect. You all know what is greenhouse effect. Share nets trap the sun, and the heat that is produced by the sun has not escaped into the space or the atmosphere. Thereby, you can prevent global warming. This is how it looks. Actually, in the natural, when you use this share nets, you can decrease the temperatures that are going high in the summer. I've purchased here share net of 3 into 5 meters. You can buy it in Flipkart or any online stores. I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can click on it and buy if you want to cool the summer. In the natural, of course, you have AC and other gadgets to cool the summer. But in the natural, this is the best way to reduce the temperature of the sun to 3-4 degrees. See how I have tied in the front ad the share nuts. Basically, these are used in the fields of agriculture, but you can use these share nuts in your house also, on your doors, windows, front yards or backyards, terrace, or anywhere you would like to, where the heat waves are striking hard. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and share with your friends and family, and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. Thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you're using the shade nets in your house, let me know in the comment section. Are they working? Are they able to reduce the temperatures in the summer season? Please do try this method by sprinkling water on the share nuts and keep it dampened to cool the summer, bring greenhouse effect and avoid global warming. Happy cool summer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Good day. Keep smiling.